Trailblazers Indian engineering students triumph innovative underwater drone technology. In a remarkable display of innovation and engineering prowess, as per news reports of November 22, 2023, a group of BTech students from Government Engineering College, Barton Hill, GECBH, Tiruvananthapuram, have clinched a patent from the Government of India for their groundbreaking underwater drone technology. The startup, Underwater Drone Technologies Private Limited, founded by Ruben Matthew Shibu, has emerged as a beacon of progress in the realm of underwater exploration and operations. Hi friend. Welcome to SciTech Buzz channel. Please remember to subscribe to this channel after viewing this video. Kindly watch this until the end in order to receive all the details of this interesting video. The journey began as a routine project for a team of students, including Ruben Matthew Shibu, Abhinav Ajit, Ramesh M., and Rahul Rajkumar. Intrigued by the challenge of extending the operational range of underwater drones, the team, with the guidance of their mentor Anish K. John, a faculty member at GECBH, delved into the intricacies of underwater technology. Little did they know that their project would lead to a patented innovation, propelling them into the league of trailblazers in the field. One cannot ignore the historical context that surrounds the development of underwater drone technology in India. Over the years, the country has been actively involved in advancing its capabilities in underwater exploration. The achievement of these BTech students adds another feather to India's cap, showcasing the nation's commitment to technological innovation and progress in diverse fields. The team faced a formidable challenge, particularly considering the backdrop of already patented technologies by global giants like the U.S. Defense Department and Lockheed Martin. Undeterred, the students, who graduated in 2021, not only met the challenge head-on but also triumphed, securing a patent for their novel underwater drone system. Ruben Matthew Shibu, the driving force behind the startup, is now exploring the commercial landscape for their patented technology. While Ruben spearheads these efforts, other members of the team are pursuing their master's programs at various universities, marking the continued commitment to academic and professional growth. At the heart of their patented technology lies a focus on enhancing the communication range of remotely operated unmanned underwater vehicles, ROVs, commonly known as underwater drones. Ruben sheds light on the innovation, explaining, "Our focus is on enhancing the communication range of a remotely operated unmanned underwater vehicle, ROV, which falls under the category of underwater drones. This is achieved by employing a third-party unmanned vehicle to establish a wireless bridge for communication between the operator/user and the underwater ROV. What sets their innovation apart is the ability to extend the horizontal operational range of the underwater drone system by an impressive factor of 10 when compared to standard underwater drones. This groundbreaking advancement not only facilitates exploration of deeper waters but also allows users to control the drones from remote locations. The elimination of the need for physical presence on-site not only enhances operational flexibility but also substantially reduces costs associated with on-site personnel. The startup, Underwater Drone Technologies Private Limited, has laid out a strategic action plan to transform their patented technology into a full-fledged product ready for the market within 2 years. The estimated cost for this ambitious endeavor stands at 4 crore. As the global underwater drone market is projected to soar to a staggering $15.4 billion in 2031, up from the current $4.17 billion, the startup is optimistic about attracting investors keen on being part of this technological revolution. In conclusion, the journey of these BTech students from a routine project to a patented underwater drone technology is a testament to the spirit of innovation and determination that defines India's youth. Their success not only adds to the country's technological prowess but also propels India into the global arena of underwater exploration and technology. The future looks promising for Underwater Drone Technologies Private Limited, as they gear up to bring their revolutionary product to the market and contribute to the ever-evolving landscape of underwater drone technology. Stay tuned for further developments on this project. Do let us know your thoughts on the subject in the comments section. My friend, if you have found any value in this video, then kindly click on like button as an encouragement to create better quality content. Please share this video amongst your family members, friends, and in your social media network so that this information might benefit others. Don't forget to subscribe to SciTech Buzz 1 channel so that you will not miss out on any of our forthcoming videos. Thank you.